Every single day, millions of salamis are crafted across the world, not by hand, but by precision-engineered machines. Inside these facilities, tradition meets technology, creating one of the most beloved cured meats on Earth. It all begins with quality meat, a balanced blend of pork and beef, chosen for their texture and fat content. Each batch is tested for freshness, temperature, and purity before entering the production line. Fat gives salami its rich flavor and smooth texture, while lean meat adds firmness. Together they form the foundation of every perfect slice. Once inspected, the meat moves to the grinders. High-powered steel blades reduce it into a fine, even texture. Then comes the seasoning, a guarded blend of salt, garlic, pepper, and secret spices unique to every brand. Inside these industrial mixers, ingredients combine under strict temperature control, ensuring a consistent flavor throughout every batch. Next, the salami mixture is packed into natural or synthetic casings. This process is fully automated. Extrusion machines fill and twist each link to exact dimensions. A computer monitors every gram to maintain uniformity, because even the smallest weight variation matters in large-scale production. Now comes the stage that gives salami its soul. Fermentation. Inside climate-controlled rooms, salamis hang undisturbed as beneficial bacteria transform the meat. Over several days, the salami develops its tangy flavor, distinct aroma, and characteristic firmness. After fermentation, salamis are transferred to aging chambers, massive rooms that mimic natural drying caves. The process can take weeks or even months depending on the recipe. Every moment counts. Too fast, and the salami cracks. Too slow, and it spoils. Machines ensure the balance remains perfect. Before packaging, each batch undergoes rigorous inspection. Samples are weighed, sliced, and analyzed for flavor, fat distribution, and pH balance. Only the finest pieces pass the test. The rest are reprocessed or discarded to maintain strict quality standards. Next, the matured salamis are sliced with laser-guided precision. High-speed blades rotate thousands of times per minute, producing perfect, uniform rounds. Each tray is vacuum-sealed to preserve freshness, then labeled and coded for traceability. Every pack can be traced back to its origin. From the factory floor to global markets, thousands of tons of salami travel through refrigerated networks. Logistics teams ensure temperature integrity from start to finish. Within hours, these perfectly crafted slices make their way to stores, ready to be enjoyed around the world. Behind every piece of salami lies a fusion of age-old tradition and cutting-edge engineering. From raw meat to savory perfection, it's all made possible by machines built for flavor, precision, and passion.